Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Apple released a product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, just like they did last year with the 7 or 7 Plus. And this year it's a little bit different because you've got a glass back and it's underneath the back where the red is, but the aluminum is still red. So I thought we'd go take a look at it. It's for a great cause. It's not something I was going to buy because it's just another color, but I thought we'd take a look at it. So let's go. We're almost at the Apple Store, and we'll take a look at not only the red iPhone, but maybe some of the spring collection that they have as well. So this is the red iPhone, and one thing I noticed is that the aluminum rim or band around the outside is very similar to last year's red, although the back is a much more deep or dark red, where it was a little bit more vibrant the previous year, and that's because the color is under the back of the glass. So it looks really, really good, both of them. And also, I thought we'd take a look at the spring collection. Now, a lot of you are going to be covering up the phone, so I don't know that the color is really necessary to pick up. However, if you did want a product red phone, here's a product red silicone case. They also have a leather case as well that's a little bit darker red than this, but you'll only see the original color through the bottom. Now, these are the new Apple Watch bands. These are all the new spring colors along with some others, and I wasn't sure if it's something you want me to cover in the future, maybe some more colors, things like that, and I'd love to hear about that in the comments below. But the bands, there's a bunch of them. There's even more than this that's under the case, but this red iPhone looks fantastic, and if you don't already have an 8 Plus, you'll see that this is just a nice continuous red from the outside to that edge, but there is a slight difference between those colors. Both of them look really good, the 8 and the 8 Plus, and either one you pick up is going to look great, but if you're going to use a case, you're only going to see the bottom here, so keep that in mind if you are using a case and not a clear skin or something along those lines. Now, the front of it looks great. This year it's black, like it should have been last year. I think most people agree. Not everyone will agree, but it looks really good. You've got the little edges that are red that you can tell, but other than that, you're not going to see those again if they're under a case. So it looks good with the black front. I think that looks better in my opinion as far as helping the phone kind of fade away when you're watching videos, things like that. So that's the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus in red. I think it looks great. It supports a great cause. And I think most people shouldn't upgrade if you've got an 8 or 8 Plus, especially if you've got a 10. There's no need to go back just for the color, but if you want that color, there's product red cases available and skins that will make your phone red. So that's probably the better way to go as far as trying to save money. But if you have to have that red, it's available now. It looks great. Maybe they'll bring it to the iPhone 10, but I doubt it. It looks like they're going to bring a gold color to the iPhone 10. So at this time, I think it's great. I'm looking forward to the next version of iOS and to see what the next iPhones look like in September. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.